Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video, learn English for beginners. Irregular verbs in past tense. Let's repeat with us. 81st lesson.
Michael, do you know what men speak about women?
Yeah, they speak of women as the fair sex, or the gentle sex.
Really?
Of course, women are the weaker sex.
I thought you didn't use these words.
Why? I think so. Mary, what do women speak about men?
I know women rarely speak of men as the stronger sex.
Why?
Because some men think that they are considered as the paying sex.
It's not fair.
What do you think about it?
I think I'm lucky.
Why do you think so?
Because my wife dreams every night that she's married to a millionaire in the daytime.
Second wave. 24th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon for another video.